On the real, eh? Who said, phone filter never.
To be mamma, no. Oh,
Then the only man and they be a to be mammy to be mamma. Apart from that, who knew she can't you?
to Tommy and my wow. You don't want feel.
That's see.
I tell them so fatal.
Oh, you want to
Really? Hey, you didn't miss you. You see, you'll be a Juma play.
How I name you? Yay. Wait. Now, I've known you, Jina, no, so be a Juma play. Who be a Juma play, Mam? Abena ye Juma will be Abena way. I'm no Nima Tifie. Abena way, or ye Juma will play more. And Cabana to take pictures in Jina, and the pilot in Jina want to take pictures in posting. Wait. Mother, just say, and Dam.
My yes,
Massa,
say na wunu ya dia na say wunu nya dia wo mo woni so na wo so nyame aye saa ma onye adwuma ye nyere yenye adwuma opli na nyame aye adom abo adom so no wanya adwuma onu kwa de ho o me ye nye ma no
Mommy, yankasa. Oh, some way I did, but now you're beef. You see things that you are not even aware of.
Oh,
Mommy, sure if you are me Hma.
Treno.
Me Hma or Mcdan. Are you? Listen, Mcdan.
The whole Mcdan, the whole now you adwuma.
Private jets, the private sector. Me name penny for kukudam. When it comes to the presidency, omo to kwanya, many omo echo. Mommy, I don't do normal domestic. It's a penny bit to say your president at a flight makujina ho tramami is against our rules. What's your say? Working ethics and come. Do you get me?
So what do you do in the plane?
What do you think I do?
I don't know.
I sell pure water in the plane.
Oh.
Or be a air hostess or anything.
I
want any brain tea. And Mamu can near my beer and oh my God, you're playing living air corner.
Hey,
what's salty? Oh, may late to
give me
traffic betting or
traffic wedding.
I bet you play.
Don't worry, I'll take you there. You need to see our private jet center now. It's really nice.
I ain't in my uniform.
Mommy, you don't know. Hey, mommy, you can't bring any there. They deal with the authorities, with the big mighty. Among the presidents for mommy, when we talk of Mcdan, we mean business. Why? Me that's it.
Oh, why a fair?
Oh, me that's it.
Hey. Okay. So you, I don't get you. Don't you get tired of this life? Huh? The piano was showing. Sepe, no we pay work on the namsa, then you come back.
I'm going to work.
Which work? What sort of life is this? Huh? Are you not tired?
She works at Mcdan.
Until that. Mcdan. And you are also here believing that they be okay. See, I will vacate you from this house, okay? One could pay you my papa be on me too. If you are kitty.
Me,
will you shut up?
Is our uniform.
Which uniform? Which company? And you also believe in her.
Oh.
What's that coming back? I can't.
It is a bad thing.
You are not serious. Go and get a proper job to do, okay? Otherwise, I'll sack you from this house one day.
Hey, Mcdan! Say me catch you.
She, me menye ejuma na me bra nim. Mami, me an kan twa me bra because on pese me ye ejuma. Me ye ejuma ma twa.
No way, Charmy.
Who's I woman way. What time is it? Madam Mcdan. Who do you know Mcdan? Waro. Oh chia. And you what? Next time. Who do you know Mcdan in Sanso? Mcdan, you know soon in Sanso. Or be should be. Who did you know? A 2 for until. Who bears a win yam.
Oh, sham you to Mcdan.
Yeah, Juma way.
Yeah, my company papi.
No wonder.
Mommy, mommy.
Now soon turn out there see wa brabo.
Me brand ni mo. What's the denti amejai no? Bag na waje no. Me niam wo me ko ejuma ka me ntimi fly.
Oh, what is that there ja na ho office sir? Ah! Oba you kama say, boy.
Na me brass wo ye dwom pa o. Hey, if I tell you ka fo Mcdan me want to yi. Hey, do you me church nsem ye no? Hey, me bra ti me di o. Ene de ka Mcdan ma Jimmy din. Hey, Abena Ghana. Hey, left we there. Ish. I for beat me. Ghana,